What's up everybody and welcome back to another video. I am the Hobbyist and today we are going to be continuing on our Axial Scx10 3 build series. Today we are going to be building up the interior of the rig. Now, I have not added any parts to this interior. Some people put in scale accessories, stuff like that. I haven't done anything. I've taken the provided scale accessories and stickers and simply painted them. So we're going to be showing you how to put on the roll cage. You know, it's not a major tutorial format, but it'll still be fun. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so we got everything stickered up, which was definitely the easier part. You know, I didn't want to put on like the steering wheel and the head and stuff like that, because like that would make getting these on hard. But the stickers are very cool. You get a full dashboard, some vents, a full GPS screen, and a center console, and then this other side panel, and then as well you get, you know, the nice seats all around. Now, I promise you guys, I didn't know that these were red. If they were, I probably would have painted this guy something else, but I didn't look at the sticker sheet until just before shooting this video. But anyway, it kind of, I guess, matches the whole, you know, the red diff covers and stuff. Anyway, so now it's time to put on the head and the steering wheel, and then we'll get on to the roll cage. Alright, so I tried to film putting on the head, but that got difficult and it was way easier just to do it with the camera off. But anyway, got the head on. I opted for the cowboy hat instead of the ball cap because this is a Jeep Wrangler and, you know, it's just kind of got that vibe to it. So now it's time to put together the roll cage. Now, the roll cage comes in 3 pieces. It comes in gray, but I painted mine chrome. But the idea behind this is you kind of want to plug these in and screw them in first, and obviously the kit comes with, you know, all the screws you need to connect it. But anyway, so yeah, put in these 4 screws on either side, get that put on, and then I'll show you how to drop it in. Alright, once you've got the roll cage assembled with these 4 screws in each side, now it's time to place it on top of the interior. So now, 2 of the posts go here, and there's little dimples, so it's kind of easy, and the holes are already pre-drilled, which is nice. But you kind of just got to line it up, and since it is plastic and it is flexible, you may need to like kind of bend it a little bit to get everything lined up correctly. But just kind of line everything up, and I would recommend going front to back, because that'll be a lot easier. So then you take these little black spacers and also these kind of long-ish screws right here, and you screw it, and it's another 4 screws on each side. Alright, so once you've got the cage on, just like that, then you are all done completing the interior of the Axial Scx10 III. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment in the section below for what videos you'd like to see next. But that's all for today, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.